When you gotta go, you gotta go. Welcome to Nippon Traveler's Guide to Finding a Bathroom in Tokyo. Number 1. Department stores have beautifully well-kept bathrooms and are usually labelled on the store directory. But be courteous. While you're there, take a look around. Who knows what you'll find? And number 2, convenience stores outside the major areas have bathrooms. It's debatable whether it's necessary to ask to use the bathroom at convenience stores, or even buy something. But we suggest you do buy something as a sign of good faith. Number 3, stations across Tokyo have free-to-use bathrooms and are generally quite clean. However, you may find a squat toilet. My tip, take off just one trouser leg, but be careful not to lose your shoe. And number 4, arcades have bathrooms too. Just be courteous and drop 100 yen into a crane game. And lastly, number 5, if you're out and about, Tokyo has some decently kept public bathrooms, like this one in Yoyogi Park and this one in Daimon, not too far from Tokyo Tower. And there you have it, there's always somewhere to spend a penny. Don't forget, check us out at lifeplus.com or on any of our social media accounts. And a big thank you to Nomi Japan, $2 Japanese goods in Singapore. 終わった? よかった. I really need to go to the bathroom.